Alright, so driving by I saw a small gator on the side of the road. Let's see if we can there he is. He's about a 5-6 footer. Not a big one, but certainly one that I wouldn't want to mess around with either. And they're really fast, even on land. So I'm going to keep my distance here of about 3 meters or so. And I can looking at him and he is eyeballing me. So we're going to just say, see you later, alligator, and get back to the trail and see what other things we can find up along the Turner Road. Woodstock right across the canal there, really close to a nice sized gator. Zoom in a little bit and you can see the Woodstock. He's probably, I would say, 5-6 feet away from the gator. Alright, and I did see a few other nice birds down here before I parked the truck. We're still on the Turner Trail. Still have a lot of driving ahead before we make it to the actual off-road trails.